Hi everyone. So today we are going to develop a loan disbursement and performance tracker dashboard. So for that, what I have done here is that I have prepared the data set, and in this data set I have created 5 tables. Okay, like you could say this loan disbursement, dimension branch, loan officer, dimension customers, and dimension date. Okay, so in a loan disbursement there are certain fields. Okay, loan amount, disbursed amount, disbursement date, loan type, branch ID, officer's ID, customer ID, status, tenure months, interest rate, EMI start and EMI end date. Okay, so what would be our goal here is that to monitor and analyze loan disbursement across a region. Okay, and then so what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to import this table data in Power BI, and then we'll start building the dashboard. So this is our data set. I'm going to import this, and once we import, so we have to select all the tables here. You could see this. So I'm going to select all of them because we have to use all the data, and click on load. Once we click on load, so it will start importing the data into Power BI engine. So you could see this load is happening now. Data has been loaded, imported into data has been imported to Power BI engine. So what we have to do, we have to click on transform data, our standard process. So let's check the header. So here, see this, we have to check change the header. So click on transform, select this, and click on use first as headers. Okay, so this has been changed. Now customer dimension, customer ID, so customer ID, customer name, gender, age, occupation, it is okay. Dimension date, so this is the whole number, we have to change as date, year, month, quarter, it is okay. Dimension loan officers, okay, so this data is also correct. Factory loan disbursement, loan ID, loan amount, disbursed amount, disbursement date, so we have to change this in a date format, date, and the loan type is okay, home loan, auto loan, branch ID, officer's ID, customer ID, status, and we have tenors, interest rate, EMI start and EMI end date. Okay, so this is the date. We have to change the data type here also. Okay, so we are done with this, right? Date. So we are done with this. Now what we have to do, click on home and apply, close and apply. So what are the changes we made, it would be implemented here. Now creating the relationship. Okay, so let's check this out. Power BI has already made the relationship, but we have to check. So this is created with officer ID. See this, officer ID to officer ID. Okay, this is created with the branch ID to branch ID. Okay, then we have custom ID to custom ID. This is branch ID to branch ID. Now date is left. Okay, so make the relationship disbursement date to date. Okay, disbursement date to date. So we are done with creating the relationship. Let's move to creating the reports. Okay, so this is the canvas space where we will be using canvas background as light gray. Okay, this and this. Okay, so light gray, and on this we will be building the dashboard. So insert text box, click here, loan disbursement dashboard, and we can put the subtitle as well. So subtitle would be monitoring. So this is our subtitle. Now let's do the formatting. So this would be this 14, let's make it 15. Okay, bold, and it should be text is black. Okay, middle, subtitle, okay, normal, font should be this 12, bold, black. Okay, middle. So we can select the background color for this as well. Okay, so let's select the background effect. So effect, as per the requirement, you can select it. Okay, hash 0e 1a 2b, and this would be our background color. So we have to change the format up now. So like title, and this should be text as white. Okay, subtitle text should be white. Let's do the more formatting here. So effect, visual border, yes. Okay, color should be this, shadow, yes, I want to have shadow. Okay, so this is our title. Okay, Loan Disbursement Dashboard, Monitoring Lending Trends and Performance 2023 to 25. Let's create the card visual. So to create the card visual, we are going to select this card visual, and we have to select first loan amount, then loan disbursed amount, then we have next table. From this next table, total loans, and we can show. Okay, now let's do the formatting here. Layout, call out values all, this is 20. Okay, and format should be this. Okay, this middle. So if I expand more, okay, so all cards are reflecting here now, and paste it here. One more time, format, paste, done, right? Okay, so card is a rectangle shape, we can select rounded rectangle. Okay, and then we have background color, so we can select white. Instead of white, we can choose this color, and so we are done with formatting. The second part is completed, adding so sum of loan amount, sum of disbursed amount, and total loans count, sum of interest amount we are showing, right? So now let's move ahead and let's add other data. First we have to add line chart. Okay, line chart, so we can select line chart, and let's put it here, month, and then I'll select total disbursed amount. Okay, let's do the formatting. Format printer, put in this here, and what we have to do, we have to so this x-axis, this is our standard one, bold, color should be white. Okay, then we have title, so auto show titles only, standard one 12, bold, color should be white, so it is reflecting month, right? Now y-axis, values, standard one this 12, color white, right? Title this standard one, I'll select this one 12, bold and white, so it is also reflecting, right? Lines, so grid lines, I want to have this color, dotted, not dashed, and zoom slices, no, I don't want to have lines, so lines is reflecting, sorry, rounded, so let's round it. Okay, linear, smooth one. Okay, smooth one, color should be this. Okay, shade area I don't want to have, data labels I want to have. Okay, and data labels values color should be, it is reflecting, right? Now the title one, so some of the disbursed amount, so we are saying disbursed amount disbursed amount by month, disbursed amount and this month, and disbursed amount by month. Okay, so we are done with this. Now here tooltip. So how to add the tooltip? So let's click on tooltip page, rename it as tooltip page, and what we are going to do here is that we will page information and canvas setting, we are going to select tooltip. Now we want to show the data here as in pie chart and certain informations. Okay, and how can we add it? Okay, so just you have to like what are the data you want to put it here, you can put it here. So suppose if I show the data as tenor months, okay, some of the tenor, then if I want to show the loan type, okay, loan type. So suppose these information I want to show here. Okay, when I hover mouse here, then tooltip should reflect. So how to do this? Okay, this is created. Suppose this is created. Let's do the formatting here also. So format painter, put this here. So this is done. Okay, now I want to show this information there, right? So we have to come here, title, tenure, okay, tenor months by loan types. So okay, this is the information we want to show over there. So how to do this? Let's click here, then we have to select this visual, and after selecting this visual, if I come here, okay, so you will find tooltip, this tooltip, it is on. So we have to expand this, and then report page. Okay, so this is the report page. Then we have to select the page. So this is the page, new page we have created, right? So we have to select this page, tooltip. Now we are done with this. Now what we do, if I hover over mouse, so see this tooltip is reflecting, right? Tenor months by loan type. So like if I come here, then accordingly data is also being changed. Okay, data is being changed. So this is how we can add the tooltips, and on one particular visual we can show other informations by using the tooltip feature, and also we want to we can show the other visuals on this particular page, particular visual. So this is how we can show it. Now and put this here, chart. So here we want to show the data, how loan type. Okay, so I want to select loan type, what the loan amount, right? Loan amount, the title, loan amount by loan types. Okay, loan amount by loan types. So we have to by loan types. Okay, types. So this is our title. Now here also tooltip is reflecting because we just copied and pasted the visuals. So that's why tooltip is added, already added. So tooltip information is reflecting, right? See this, right? Now and paste. Okay, and I want to add the total disbursed amount. Okay, total disbursed amount. So here we are showing the data, how, like region wise total disbursed amount, region wise total disbursed amount. This should be clustered column chart. Okay, this. So so title would be region wise total disbursed amount. Okay, by region. Okay, total disbursed amount by region. So this is the data which is reflecting, right? Here region is reflecting, some of the disbursed amount is reflecting, and also the tooltip is reflecting. So if you want to remove the tooltips. Okay, we can remove it from here. We'll go on general and make it off, like you can make it off or remove this auto. So now if I come here, it is not reflecting, right? See this. Now we can add next visual. Next visual would be select on a table visual, and here let's add the data. So I want to show loan types. Then I want to show the amount, then disbursed amount. Then I want to show the officer's name. Okay, then I want to show the gender as well. I want to show the branch name. Okay, so these are the data I want to show in table. Put this here. Sorry. Use this. Okay, now what we have to do, I think we have to switch the table. Let's put this here. Okay, let me put this here, and what we have to do, we have to expand this a little bit. Okay, we can make it short. Okay, now let's do the formatting. So format, select this one, then grid line color should be black. Okay, vertical lines, this color should be black, and the border, now here our standard format would be this. Okay, this is 10. Okay, bold, text color white, background color. So background color, how we want to show the background color, we can select different colors as well. Alternate text color white. Okay, alternate text background color this, and then column headers. So this should be this. Okay, bold, text color white, background color. Okay, so let's put different back. Use this one. Then select this. Okay. Okay. That's all. And what we have to do, we have to add slicers. So what we have to do, we have to add the slicers. So we have to add the shape first, and on that shape we will be adding the slicers. Okay, so rectangle shape we have added, and let's add the visual here. Okay, visual. So visual, we want to add slicer, and this slicer is added here likewise. Now let's do drop down. Drop down is okay, right? Selection should be all. Okay, and slicer header. So slicer header is year wise filter, year wise filters. Okay, text should be this. So we can do the formatting also. Let's select this one and put this here. Okay, data has been changed. Now we can do a little bit more formatting. Okay, so color should be font color white. Okay, year wise filter is reflecting. Background is okay. Now coming to values, so font color should be white. It is reflecting, right? So we'll have to change the font color because the value is not reflecting. This is reflecting now. Okay, submit, send to back. Okay, now data is reflecting. Copy and paste, put this here, again paste, put this here, again paste, put this here. Okay, so here I want to show, since we have used loan types, okay, reason, so we must use a reason as a filter. So let's remove this, and we have reason. So let's select this, so we can see the reason is reflecting. Now we have to change the title, so title would be reason wise filter, reason wise filters. Okay, we can add here as since we have used loan types, so we have to use the loan types as a filter, loan types, and let's change the title name, loan types. Okay, type wise filters. Okay, so this is also reflecting. Now we have used we should use status. Okay, so we have to change this status. Okay, it is reflecting. So this is also done. Okay, this is also done. The bookmark here, so we want to add the bookmark. So to add the bookmark, what we want to do, let's add the button. Okay, button, and just put this here. No problem. Okay, so this is clear all filters. Okay, filters. Now 12, so we can do the formatting. Let's copy and paste here. So this is reflecting. Now we can do more formatting here. So text font should be white. Okay, and everything is done. So now what we are going to do, go to view, bookmark, and add bookmark, and we'll put it here as clear all filters. This is done. Now let's select this, go to action, and type is selected as bookmark, and we have to select as clear all filters. Okay, so this is done. We are doing this let's put some space over there. Okay, some space there. Let's check this out, that is it working or not. Okay, so if I select 23, it is being changed. This is also changing, this is also changing, this is also changing, and also tooltip is reflecting, right? Now if I select this, data is changed. If I select auto, data is changed. If I select active only, so data is being changed. Okay, so if I select all, then active, auto, and active loans, so it is being changed. Now if I want to see only closed loans, okay, so we can check this out. So this is how you can design the visuals in Power BI. Okay, see this. Now let's select all. Now what we want to do, this is the clear all filters, means like if we click on this, what will happen, we will land up on that page, on original page. So you have to press the control button, then click on clear all filters. So see this, we are back to the original filters. Okay, so and I would request you please do the hands-on. Okay, dataset is already providing, dataset link will be provided in the description box, and do the hands-on, and if you have any queries, then put it so that I would respond to that query. Thank you.